Guys, we are here at the Marquis Events Center place here in BGC. Here's our Queen Pia wears back. Hands-on talaga siya sa pagpe-prepare para sa Love Gala event tonight. Ito, pinapakita natin ngayon ang kanyang mga ipapa-auction for the youth center here. Ayan. Sasamahan natin si Pia habang inaayos niya yung final touches ng kanyang mga items na ipapa-auction para sa youth center sa Taguig City and hopefully sa buong Pilipinas. Ayan ang kanyang opening dress. And that was the actual sash she wore during the Yeah, yan yung mismo. Ang dami kasing sash, guys. At itong gown na red na to, silot niya to sa red carpet. In-interview ka namin dyan sa sa Miss Universe 2016 sa SMX. Yes, ang ganda-ganda mo noon, di ba? Ay, hindi, wala kang sash noon, yan lang. Ganyan lang.
Susuot ko ba yung black na sash?
Pero wala kang sash at that time. Ay, Diyos ko, ganda-ganda mo nga that time eh.
Okay, so kasi iniisip ko
Pwede ilagay din.
kaya mag-live na tayo.
Alive na tayo. Ito yung kanyang turnover na gown, kasama din sa auction. Yan, di ba? Busy-busy siya. Oh, ang kanyang iconic na swimsuit. Ang mga...
Nung gabi na yun. And then, ito, yung hikaw na to, pinagawa ko para dun sa MMK na si Liza yung gumanap.
Ay, yung gumiginanap. So, parang pareho, no?
Magkamukha sila kasi sa totoong buhay. Siyempre medyo lumat na kasi siya. Ganyan na siya. Pero ito yung suit ko nung gabi na yun.
Paano ang magiging auction natin? Di ba? Online siya.
Yes.
Online
may
siya.
website.
May website siya. Ngayon, ilo-launch siya. Live na. Announce na natin. Kasi hindi lang yung mga local collectors ang makakakuha nito, kundi sa worldwide to, even from other countries.
So I'm trying to remember if I wore the black sash for this dress or the gray.
We remember you wearing this sa pictorial mo eh. Sa photoshoot. Wala.
So siguro dapat nakahiwalay yung mga sash.
Siguro.
Mannequin lang.
Oo, para,
Siyang isuot sa damit.
at para kanya-kanyang item yun.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
Hiwalay naman siya.
Guys, andito tayo sa Marquis Events, guys, for strictly invitational, pero buong mundo pwedeng mag-bid online sa mga items na ito na nakikita nyo ngayon. Where this is our first look at the items na inilabas ni Pia.
Kaya natapunan ko pa ng kape. Ang rehearsal ng Miss You. Kaya pinalitan, naging dalawa tuloy.
Naging dalawa tuloy. At may meaning yan. At least kape, di ba?
Naman. Hindi kasi, parang di ba?
Tsaka may history eh. Hindi pwedeng basta malinis lang. Kaya nga eh.
Actually, parang bagay ito dun sa shoes.
Why not? Oh yeah.
No?
Oh yes, yes.
And then, sorry, ihiwalay na lang po natin yung bago.
Ay.
Sige, mamaya ko na
Ayan. Nakikita nyo yung mga final touches na mismong Queen Pia natin para sa display ng mga items for auction here. Ayan.
Yeah, it's a coffee stain, so I got another sash. Kasi na-terminate ko.
So nakadalo.
From rehearsals. What was it? It's just plastic. That's why it's...
So part ng history yan, yung kape na yan. Di ba? Part ng history yan.
Sila, yung isa binigay ko kay Tito Albert.
So
Thank you.
do sa online website, merong starting bid tayo.
So,
Yes.
yung mga presyo nakalagay doon, yun yung...
Yung starting bid.
price. And of course, kinonsulta ko din yung mga designers ko, ano yung
Halaga.
reference nila na halaga. Kasi syempre, their name and branding is also going to be attached to it, diba? So I can price
And multiplied 100 times dahil history ng pageantry yan.
So I can't price it too high or too low, so I consult with them para we're all aligned.
Hindi, tataas yan. For good naman yan, for youth center. Yes, very good, very good. Oo, kasi nakapatong lang. Oo. Dapat lagyan ng tali.
May mga tao naman.
Ay, ito palang senyora mo. Kasama mo sa video palagi ito, di ba?
So, ito.
Ipra kabihis.
O, Philippines. Chinese laundry.
May lalagyan ng mark.
Pipirmahan mo yan pagkatapos nung bibili.
Okay, thank you guys. Mag-retouch lang ako.
Yes, sige. See you inside. See you. So guys, i-announce natin ang website. Open na actually yung website. It's already... Ayan na. Ito yung diary. This is the diary, guys. Actually, notes pala, hindi pala diary. Ayan, oh. O, diba? So now, guys, we got an exclusive look with Pia herself sa mga items. Ayan, it's a Mawad tiara given to her by Mawad for the past winners. And it's part of the auction, guys. And of course, ito yung for photoshoot, kasama niya dito si Miss Colombia. Doon sa photoshoot na yun, kung naalala nyo. Silang dalawa ni Ariana Gutierrez doon sa photoshoot na yun. Nung suot niya tong swimsuit na to. The Chinese laundry, itong gown na to naman. This is the Francis Libiran pink gown. It's worn by Pia when she was invited to host the Bilibining Pilipinas 2017. And the sash. This exclusive red Miss Universe sash is more than a symbol of beauty and grace. It represents her powerful commitment to HIV and AIDS awareness. O, diba? Wow, starting bid is 200,000. Nakalagay pala dito, 200,000 for this. For this gown, it's 300,000. For the Chinese laundry shoes, it's 100,000 ang starting bid. For the Mawad tiara, it's 700,000, guys, ang starting bid. For the swimsuits, it's 70,000 pesos, starting bid. For this sash, the original Philippine sash with Miss Universe pin, 350,000 ang starting bid. For these notes, her personal notes for all her pageant journey, the starting bid is 200,000 pesos, guys. 200,000 pesos. Ito namang iconic na dress na sinuot ni Francis Libiran. Starting bid is 300,000 pesos. Her Miss Universe Philippines sash. Wala akong information ngayon. Ayun. Yung binanggit kanina ni Pia na ito yung original earring na suot niya doon. Tapos yung other one was made for Liza Soberano. And the starting bid is 50,000 pesos. That's for both, that's for both earring na. For each. Kasi di malinaw eh. And this one is the bag, the mother of pearl clutch bag. It's 50,000 pesos, starting bid. Ito naman ang mga Chinese laundry shoes niya, guys. Itong earrings na to, ang starting bid is 40,000 pesos each. Okay. Hindi ko kasi makita yung ano eh. These earrings were worn and chosen as backup pair to complement the Michael Cinco gown Pia Wurtzbach wore during the Miss Universe 2015. Oh. I think this is the, ito naman yung kanyang swimsuit, the very iconic. Ang starting bid is 150,000 pesos. Starting bid yun, ha. And this all goes for a very good cause. Ito namang gown na to, she wore this during the preliminaries of Miss Universe 2016. And the starting bid of this Michael Cinco gown is 1,800,000 pesos. And of course, the very iconic turnover gown of Pia by Michael Cinco. The starting bid is 2.8 million pesos. Guys, this is an auction. And this auction will benefit the building of the youth center here in Taguig City, and hopefully many other youth centers in the whole Philippines. This is her gown. In-interview namin siya wearing this gown sa red carpet ng Miss Universe 2016. And then the starting bid here is 300,000 pesos. And of course, her opening dress for Miss Universe 2015, the Sherry Hill dress, the starting bid is 400,000 pesos. So guys, mamaya dadali namin kayo live sa mga events sa loob ng ating Love Gala 2024 ng Love Yourself Philippines ni Pia Wurzbach. Ang dami for all the collectors worldwide. This is such an experience. This is such a rare thing to own this pageant memorabilia. So stay posted here on the Philippine Pageantry, guys, for our coverage of Love Gala 2024.